Most people will not become millionaires. It's a sad reality, but a fact. Frankly, most people don't have what it takes to become millionaires, and here's why. 1. Lack of purpose. Most people in the world don't have a purpose. This means that most people don't really know why they exist. The most important question is not how to be a millionaire, but why you should be a millionaire. Many millionaires didn't just follow selfish interests and goals to buy luxury cars and expensive homes. They had big goals and objectives to improve the lives of their families and communities. 2. Lack of ambition. Ambition is the fuel that drives purpose. So if you don't have a purpose, you automatically won't have ambition. Thus, most people in the world lack ambition. Lack of ambition means that you cannot grow internally and externally as a person. Many people who conquered the world, such as Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, and Napoleon, had big, burning ambitions. The same goes for people who became great athletes, boxing champions, and millionaires. 3. Procrastination. Procrastination is the failure to take positive action. Procrastination is perhaps the biggest enemy of success and the biggest obstacle to becoming a millionaire. Most people just float through life without any specific goal or direction. They spend many hours just drooling, daydreaming, and doing nothing. As a result, they become poor. 4. Lack of discipline. A lack of discipline is perhaps one of the biggest obstacles to financial success. The world is full of losers who simply lack financial discipline and proper planning. There is no such thing as an accident. Every failure is the result of an error in human judgment. Opportunities and chances come to everyone, though not at the same time. They do come, and when they do come, lack of vision, financial discipline, and unpreparedness severely undermines financial success. For example, Mike Tyson made a fortune from boxing in his best days. However, due to a lack of financial discipline, more on that later, and a millionaire's outlook, he squandered it all on reckless living. 5. Lack of patience. Most people just don't have the patience to become millionaires. Think about it. When you plant a seed in the ground, you probably don't realize how the seed sprouts after a few days or weeks. Checking your progress daily doesn't help either. But after a few weeks of checking on it, you'll find that the buds have swelled and the plant is starting to grow. A few more weeks and it will be a big plant. All of this takes some work, time, and process. This is where patience comes to the rescue. The seed is the raw material you put into the soil, and the work is the time and effort you put in. The process is what happens without your intervention. It is beyond your control. Most people would probably like to plant the seed and eat its fruit the next morning. 6. Lack of focus. Perhaps the biggest obstacle to financial success is a lack of focus. Most millionaires I know are very goal-oriented people. Chinese billionaire and chairman of Alibaba Group Jack Ma often says that he comes up with about 5,000 new business ideas every day. Unfortunately, he has to discard them all, preferring to focus on providing quality services to the millions of customers and suppliers who visit his online stores every day. 7. Hard and smart work. Most people won't become millionaires because they never learned how to work smart. You've heard that hard work pays off. I would say that smart work pays off. In the 19th century, it took about 30 years to become rich. In the 20th century, it took less than 20 years to become rich. In the 21st century, it takes only 6 months to become rich. All of this depends on the clever implementation of a simple law called leverage. Millionaires learn how to utilize other people's time. Millionaires learn how to use other people's money. Millionaires learn how to utilize other people's skills and talents. Millionaires learn to use machines and automation. To summarize, it is important to understand that the path to becoming a millionaire requires not only luck, but also work, learning, financial management, and investment skills. Many people limit themselves with fears, lack of financial literacy, or lack of resources to start investing. However, despite the challenges, it is important to remember that opportunities for financial success exist. Those who are willing to work on themselves, learn, develop, and most importantly, find new opportunities in the world of finance become millionaires. Be persistent, motivated, and ready to learn, and your chances of becoming a millionaire may increase significantly. Don't forget that every path to success is different, and your own path can be unique. And remember, being a millionaire is not just about the money, but how you use your financial resources to achieve your goals and impact the world around you. Good luck in your endeavors.